Hi, welcome to Engagelo. So in this video we will see that how to add the contacts in our software. For that once after login, just click on the subscriber manager. So once you click on the subscriber manager, you can see many numbers listed here. Whatever the communication is coming from the customer end, it will be there in the all inbox, and the same number you can reflect it here, and whatever the once we add the number also, it will be listed out here. So for example, if you are adding another 10 or 100 number means it will be stored here only. So to get that separated, here we have an option called WhatsApp subscriber manager. Just click on manage, then you can see that manage labels. Click on the manage labels, then here you have an option to click on create label. I'm just clicking on the label, so I'm just giving a name for the label. So I have given the name. I'm just click on save. So label is saved now. Now what we have to do is again click on the subscriber manager. Here you can see that options. Click on options and import subscribers. So here only we will import the subscribers, I mean bulk contacts. So for that, here you can see that sample CSV file. So CSV format only, and in the CSV format we have to upload the number, and then only we will be able to upload. This is the format. So I'm just clicking on the sample CSV file. So here you can see that file is downloaded. I'm just clicking on it. So this is an Excel file only. So here this is how the number and the name is saved in the in this format only we have to save. I'm just deleting this. So I'm just adding the sample contacts. Okay, so here you can name is not mandatory. If you have the name also, you can upload it. That is optional only, not mandatory. Okay, so once we add the number here, for any WhatsApp communication we have to put the country code as well. Here in India it is a 91 only, so in every number we have to add the 91. For that, what you have to do is just click on the entire column. Here you can see the click on the right click, then you can see format cells. Here you have an option to click on custom. Here you can see the general. Just delete that and then type 91, and after that put mobile number format, that is 10 zeros. Okay, 91 then 10 zeros. I'm just clicking on OK. So you can see that 91 is added for every contacts. Okay, after this you can just save the file. No need to close this, just save the file and minimize it. Once you minimize that, you can see that the upload window is here. In the left hand side you can see the label. Here you have to click on and select the label which we created just before. See, this is what I have created. So label is we have selected the label. Now we are selecting the file. Just click on upload, and here you can see the file. That file name is WhatsApp sample subscribe report. I'm just clicking on OK. Here you can see that number is listed. Here you need to click on map data. So phone number. If along with this, if name is also mentioned, means you need to click on once again, and here you can see that name, then subscriber name. So this also this option also you have to enable to display the number as well. So here we have only added numbers, so I'm just deleting this. Now I'm just clicking on confirm. Okay, now number is added. So once you again, it will be there in the subscriber manager. Here you can see that select label option. I'm just this is the label I have created. So you can see that 10 numbers. So this is how we have to add the contacts to our software. Okay, thank you for watching video.